Dear learners, I am Ahmad Noman Sadiq. Today I would like to draw an important topographical exam route. So here we go. This is our start marker, which is always a green marker, and this is our red marker, which is the end marker of this route. Actually, this route involves a lot of one ways. So whenever there is a one way in between the route, please be careful. Also, there is a congestion charges zone involved in this route. And please don't worry, if there is a congestion charges zone, you could go through that zone. Don't worry at all. And please don't mix this congestion charges zone with pedestrian zone. So how could you recognize this? If there is a pink color along with a thick border, then it will be called as congestion charges zone, and if it is on the road you would be able to go through like this. This is a pink color with border, so if you are coming from here you could go like this. If you are coming from here you can cross this. But remember, if it is only pink like this, you would not be able to go through this. So there is no border, it is only pink. Another example is here. This is pink area. This is pink area. So this is pink color. You would not be able to go through. This is for the pedestrian. Also this is for the pedestrian. So please remember this. Now let's draw this route. So I have already planned this route from here, here, and then I will go through this bridge. So actually there are few bridge across this route, but I will go through this Vauxhall bridge because it is a nearest bridge to my end point. Now let's draw this route. So here is my starting point, which is green marker. So always zoom in when the starting point is in the street. So zoom in maximum and keep myself towards the left hand side of the road like this. I will go and keep symmetrical like this. So always keep your route at the top of these words. So it will give you an extra symmetry of the route. It is not necessary, but it is just for the symmetry. It will keep you at the same distance from the curve like this. So I will go like this. I will go on this road. Then I will turn in this direction and I will not cross the river here, but I am going actually towards the Vauxhall Bridge. So Vauxhall Bridge is here and then there is the end point. So it is very simple. I will go through here and I will always keep the route towards the left hand side of the road. So some people confuse this here. They think that you will not be able to go through. No, it's not right. You can go because this is one way. The traffic can come from here and join this A road. But you can cross the one way always. So don't worry about this. So I will continue my route like this and keep myself or my route at the top of these words because this is my left hand side. So always keep left. So some people, they go towards the right hand side of the road, which is totally wrong. So when you finish your route, always check for left and right side. So when you are here, come like this and go accordingly along this road. But what is this? This is, you can recognize easily that this is railway line. So how could you recognize? You will see here this is a railway symbol. So you can extend the line and see whether it is a railway line or not. Also remember that main road could never be closed. Yes, small streets could be closed sometime, but main road, there might be, for main road there might be this railway line, and railway line is always at the top or underneath, so it doesn't disturb the route. So don't worry about that. So you will come like this, like this, like this. Here you go and you are continuing drawing your route. So when you reach here, so this is Vauxhall Bridge, you have to cross because the end point is here. So I will go like this, here, here, and then turn right like this. I'm crossing the river at this point. So again I will go straight like this. Don't worry, like this, like this. Now this here, it is very important thing to understand. So this is one way. So you cannot go from here. This is opposite to one way. Also, if you are coming from here, you would not be able to come through. You can only come from here to reach at this point. But some people, what they do, they come from here and then they try to come here. No, this is also wrong, because up till this, yes, you can. After that, you can only turn in this direction. You can't go in the opposite direction of this one way. So what we should do now, I will continue drawing my route like this, like this, like this, and here I will not turn in this direction. Instead, I will go further like this, like this. Now I will check whether I can come here or not. So if I go here, yes, I can go, I can cross this congestion charges zone. So from here, and then you can come at your destination. Even this is one way. Try to keep your route at the left hand side of the road. You can keep in the middle as well, but better to keep in the left hand side of the road. The reason behind, I will tell you in a while. So here you can come like this, and ultimately you would be able to reach and touch the end point. So I was telling you what is the reason why you have to keep left even if it is one way. The reason is like this: if you are here, if you are in the middle of the road, when it finishes like this, even then after that you have to keep yourself towards the left hand side. But if you are going like this, people usually make this mistake. After that, they keep their route at the middle. So this is the reason I always suggest the students to keep their route always towards the left hand side, and it is not illegal. So please, I have completed the route, but always remember my tip, that at the end always check your route yourself, because sometimes there is a mistake of left hand side or right hand side, or you might have drawn an illegal maneuver. So please check your route. So if always remember that if there is a mistake at the end like this, you can do undo, 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 and go to the point where there is a mistake. But if there is a mistake at the beginning, then there is no need to press undo, undo, undo button, because there it will take a longer time to reach at the beginning. For that, there is another button which is called as clear button. You just need to click on the clear button and clear your route, and you would be able to draw your route again. It will save your time. So that's the end of today's route. Thank you very much.